All right, so next what we're going to do is you'll see throughout the site you got Vancouver, BC, Vancouver, you'll have Vancity Towing. We have to change all that stuff, and we have all these pages. We don't really want to do that, each of these pages, and go through and edit the text one by one. So what we want to do again is we'll go over here and click Dashboard. And we're going to go into Settings. Okay, oh wait, Tools. There it is. And we'll want to get into this tool called Better Search Replace. And so what you're going to do is we're going to search for Vancouver. And then we're going to replace with, actually we'll do Vancouver, BC. And then we'll do Regina, SK, and you just want to click here and hold down and drag till you're at the bottom, and then come over here and then searches are case sensitive by default, and then uncheck this box because that will just show you what it will do, and then we'll want to run search and replace. Okay, and then we're going to right click here. We're going to bring this open to a new tab to look at it and see what happened. Okay, now you see right here it's changed Regina SK. Regina SK. So you'll see right here it says Vancouver because we did Vancouver.bc, so it's not going to replace if it just says Vancouver. So you can see right here it didn't change anything because there's no comma in that. It's just Vancouver, BC. We're going to delete this whole section anyways. But you'll see over here it did because it was Vancouver, BC. So you'll see that changed this. Change this, so we have to come in here and change that because that's, you can see the rest of it here is capital letters. So we'll do that in a minute. So let's go back here and do this again. We'll do it with just Vancouver, and we'll do Regina. And sometimes this actual program doesn't do everything, like even though it says it did. I don't think it even did it there. So let's try that again. Vancouver, Regina. Okay, that looks like it's working. When this bar comes up, it works. Sometimes it doesn't, so you always want to come in and look. Okay, let's look and see what it did. Okay, Regina changed the Regina there, so looks like it got all the Reginas. Okay, good. Okay, we'll change that later. Okay, so that's Better Search and Replace. What else do we have? BC. Or wait, we already did BC with the Vancouver. Oh, let's just do BC anyways. BC. And then do SK. Same thing. SK is Saskatchewan, BC is British Columbia. So, oh, shit. I want to do this. Okay, and then let's run it again. Okay, and then we're going to do Vancity, because Vancity is the name of one of the companies. So we'll do Vancity Towing. Oh, towing. We'll do it with a Regina Towing Company. Let's see here, go all the way down. Again, you just want to, this is the brand. So the other one was Vancity Towing. So we're going to want to change it to Regina Towing Company because that's the brand, right? And then we'll do that. Run and replace. Oh, I think I have to do that again because it's a piece of shit. Hold on. But it's free, so it can't really complain. Okay, Regina Towing Company. Click, drag all the way down. Do it again. Okay, this one looks like it's working. Okay, and we will just refresh. Oh, I don't know what happened here. I'll have to fix that. Oh, whoa. Stuff happened here. Hold on. I think maybe what happened was because some of these images. Yeah. Okay. That's no problem. We're just going to change all this stuff anyways. So you'll see that, yeah, all the Regina stuff is changed. So what we're going to do now is take this phone number here, and we're going to change it to the phone number that we have. And you can do that. I'll give you all this stuff so you can see the phone numbers that we have. So let's click on this, and then we're going to take this, copy it, and then we are going to paste it here. That's what you want to replace with, and this is the number 2296795. You have to put it in its exact format or it won't change it. Let's go down here, do all these. We don't need to worry about case because it's a phone number. Oh, I need to do that again because, again, not want to cooperate with us. I don't know why it does that, but let's do this again. Okay, that looks like it's working. Let's try this again. All these logos or icons are all getting messed up now because we're making these changes. But it's okay because we're going to have to go in and change it anyways. So that looks good. Looks like it's getting rid of all the... it's getting rid of that number up top here. And now you'll see this... Oh, hold on here. Now you'll see this is if you look down in the bottom corner, it still says that number because it's the number, it's not the same format. So now we have to do this, and we have to do, let's go here. We want it to be exactly the same. So now it's just digits, no dashes, no brackets, nothing. Come down here, do all, and then, oh, didn't work again. Are you surprised? I'm not. It's like every second time it works. Okay, now again, same thing. Home drag. Oh, let's start over again. Okay, should work. It is working. Okay, let's look here and see if that number changed to the bottom. It did, so all those numbers are changed. So we are good to go. Okay, so that's how you change that. Now I'm going to show you how to go in and edit all this stuff, and you can see these mistakes and the pictures that are gone here. It's fine. We have to change them anyways, so I'll show you on the next video.